The internet has failed me, and I am learning how to fix my rear door on my Promaster. The handle engages the top latch, but not the bottom latch. And there was no answers online how to fix my exact problem.
Just replaced this, demonstrated the issue I was having. If I pull on this, the door will open. I went ahead and replaced the handle because there was a crack, so that was going to be inevitable, and that does not open the door. Next step is to replace the actual mechanism down here. So this is the new mechanism. I'm assuming what is going on in here on the old one is the issue, so I'm hoping by replacing this one I can resolve that. I'm going to do my best to explain what's going on in this area. This is what the mechanism that triggers the door handle. You've got to get in there at quite a weird angle. Pull and twist around, go down. And that mechanism is on the inside of the handle. You can see it's triggering, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and install the mechanism down here. There's 3 screws, 2 on the front, 1 on the bottom, T40 bit. All right, here's the test. Oh my God. Oh no. So the third thing I wanted to repair was the striker plate, or replace. We'll see if that does anything. This, it wouldn't make sense for the piece in here to not be working, because if I pull on it, it works. But maybe that is the piece that needs to be replaced. I don't think so. So what I had to do was have this bit have the cable sit on the outside, and it caused enough tension for it to work. I'm gonna give it a go again. Yeah, so if it's seated inside of this, there's not enough tension. So I have to almost seat it there, and that's not working. I just got it to open with it outside. Let's see. No. That's my issue. There's no consistency. Okay, so even after I've replaced the handle, the locking mechanism, and the striker plate, the only solution that I truly found was to just offset this. And it gives enough tension to open it. So wherever this was set, it was set a little off. There needs to be some more tension. I could have probably avoided buying all new pieces. There you have it.
So after a week and a half of driving around with the zip tie configuration, it finally slipped and the door stopped opening. So now the adjustment I'm taking is completely removing the little hook that holds the cable in place and super gluing it a couple of millimeters to the right to get the tension that I need.